Hi, I'm Marilyn. I came to Dr. Wander because I had suffered from Lyme disease for a number of years before getting treated. I had it for 18 years before I found a doctor who believed me and treated me for it. And that treatment was 6 years, and it ended in December, this past December 2016. In the course of all of that Lyme disease, my autoimmune system was destroyed. I developed problems with my gallbladder, with my thyroid. I had a partial thyroidectomy, and then I started getting problems with my glucose levels going up. I became pre-diabetic. And all along the way, my primary care doctor was just saying, oh, okay, well, you're getting better, but we'll add this medicine, we'll add that medicine. And having gone through and searched for my Lyme doctor, I said, I need a better way. So I saw an article in a health magazine on Dr. Wander, and I tore it out and put it aside, got busy with life, and then something happened where I was sitting and I said, you know what, I need to take care of this. And I saw the infomercial on TV about the diabetes dinner. So I called, went to the dinner, came to see Dr. Wander. He accepted me as a patient. That was in July of 2016. And July of 2016, I had a lab work done by my primary care doctor, and that was at the early part of the month, and my A1C was 8.1. I was on Metformin and Januvia. I also was taking cholesterol medicine and had been taking cholesterol medicine for like 6 years, and it wasn't doing anything. And I had taken all the care to stop eating all the foods that they said don't you eat, but it wasn't working. So starting with Dr. Wander, I went from an 8.1 in July to January, just last week, I was 6.2 A1C. My triglycerides went down from 200 to 79. And in November, when I went to my primary care doctor and gave him my most recent lab report at that time, he took me off all my medications. So I'm off my medications. My inflammation markers, gone. I don't have any inflammation in my body. I feel absolutely wonderful. My weight is decreased. I was, at my heaviest, I was 200. When I started with Dr. Wander, I was about 196, 198, somewhere in there. I am 162. It fluctuates maybe 4 pounds, but that's about a weight loss of 34 pounds.